Okay, first go to Tinkercad. Let it load up, and then you can press sign in. If you don't have an account, just click here, and then if you have one, just go ahead and sign in. Now once you're in this area, press create new design. Now we're going to make a pipe. First, of the cylinder shape. Make it whatever size you want. Let's just make that 44. And then grab the cylinder that has the lines over it. Make it a size smaller, or a few sizes smaller, such as I'll make it 40. 40 over here. Make it the same length. Put it inside the other cylinder. Make sure it's lined up. Go over it by holding the left mouse button and dragging the red square around it. Now press Ctrl G. You have a pipe. After you make the pipe, you can make it whatever size you want, whatever length. And yeah, that's how you make a pipe.